Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Range Rover Velar R Dynamic SE. This one is a Fuji white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder with 247 horsepower and 269 pounds of torque. 20-inch 10-spoke satin gray dark finish wheels. Rose gold accents. Ebony leather. Panorama sunroof. Rear heated seats. Come around back. Velar P250 SE badging. Opening up the tailgate. Clean set of all-season floor mats. Power liftgate. Fold down rear seats. Blind spot assist. Meridian sound system. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Touchscreen climate control. Heated seats. Center console. This Range Rover has 38,615 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Velar Range Rover, visit us at feldmannimports.com.